Welcome to our exploration into the power of graphic design principles. In the world of visual communication, these principles serve as the fundamental building blocks of effective and aesthetically pleasing designs. Understanding these principles is crucial for anyone looking to create impactful visuals, whether it's a website layout, a poster design, or even a simple social media post. By mastering the concepts of balance, contrast, alignment, repetition, and hierarchy, you can elevate your designs from amateur to professional, capturing attention and conveying your message with clarity and impact. These principles act as guidelines to help designers organize visual elements in a way that is both appealing and effective. Just like a musician uses musical notes to create a harmonious melody, graphic designers use these principles to create visual harmony and communicate effectively with their audience. Whether you're a student working on a school project, an aspiring designer building your portfolio, or simply someone who wants to improve their visual communication skills, understanding these principles can be a game changer. This essay will delve into each of these principles, providing clear explanations and relatable examples to help you understand their significance and how to apply them effectively in your own designs.
Now let's dive into finding balance in design. Balance in design refers to the distribution of visual weight in a composition. It's about creating a sense of equilibrium and stability, making the design feel comfortable and visually appealing. There are two main types of balance: symmetrical and asymmetrical. Symmetrical balance involves mirroring elements on either side of a central axis, creating a sense of formality and order. This type of balance is often found in traditional designs and conveys a sense of stability and trustworthiness. Asymmetrical balance, on the other hand, uses elements of different visual weights to create a sense of balance. This approach is more dynamic and can add visual interest and movement to a design. Achieving balance in your designs is crucial for creating a harmonious and visually appealing composition. By understanding the different types of balance and how to achieve them, you can create designs that feel both stable and engaging. Moving on to creating contrast and visual interest. Contrast is a crucial principle that adds visual interest and guides the viewer's eye through a design. It involves creating a clear distinction between elements, making them stand out from one another. This can be achieved through various means, such as using contrasting colors, sizes, shapes, and textures. Color contrast is one of the most effective ways to create visual interest. Using contrasting colors like black and white or complementary colors like blue and orange can make elements pop and grab attention. Size contrast involves using different sizes of elements to create a hierarchy of information. Larger elements tend to attract more attention, so they can be used for important headings or images, while smaller elements can be used for body text or less important details. Texture contrast can add a tactile dimension to designs, even in digital formats. Using a combination of smooth and rough textures can create visual interest and depth. By effectively using contrast, you can create designs that are visually engaging, guide the viewer's attention, and effectively communicate your message. Section 4. Alignment and organization in design. Alignment is a fundamental principle that brings order and organization to a design. It involves arranging elements in a way that creates a visual connection, making the design appear clean, organized, and easy to navigate. There are several types of alignment, including left-aligned, right-aligned, centered, and justified. Each alignment type conveys a different feel and can be used to achieve specific effects. Left-aligned text is the most common type of alignment and is generally considered the easiest to read. Right-aligned text can be used for emphasis or to create a more formal tone. Centered text is often used for headings and titles, while justified text is commonly used in books and newspapers to create a clean and even look. By paying attention to alignment, you can create designs that are not only visually appealing, but also highly functional and easy to comprehend. Section 5. Repetition and consistency. Repetition is a powerful design principle that involves using the same or similar elements multiple times throughout a design. This creates a sense of consistency, unity, and visual rhythm, making the design more cohesive and memorable. Repetition can be applied to various design elements, such as colors, fonts, shapes, and patterns. Using a consistent color scheme throughout your design, for instance, can create a sense of brand identity and make the design more visually appealing. Similarly, repeating certain design elements, such as a specific icon or pattern, can create a visual motif that ties the design together and makes it more memorable. By using repetition effectively, you can create designs that are visually appealing, consistent, and easy to navigate. Section 6. Establishing hierarchy in design. Hierarchy in design refers to the arrangement of elements in a way that indicates their importance. It's about guiding the viewer's eye through the design in a specific order, ensuring that the most important information is seen first. There are several ways to establish hierarchy in design, including size and scale. Larger elements tend to attract more attention, so use them for the most important information. Color and contrast. Bright colors and high contrast can make elements stand out. Typography. Use different font sizes, weights, and styles to create a visual hierarchy of information. Spacing and proximity. Group related elements together and use white space to separate different sections. By effectively using these techniques, you can create a clear visual hierarchy that guides the viewer's attention and ensures that your message is communicated effectively.